we worked on this problem statement: design a cost-effective automated ventilator which serves the critical purpose of providing efficient respiratory support in emergency situations.
Driven by a sense of urgency to bridge healthcare gaps, especially in underserved regions, our project aims to create a cost-effective automated ventilator system that serves in emergency situations.
With a focus on emergency scenarios, we are committed to crafting a cost-effective automated ventilator system that not only addresses the immediate challenges but also aims to be a reliable lifeline in situations where every moment counts. Through discussions with medical professionals, we've uncovered crucial insights for our Prana Vayu project. Primary research highlighted challenges such as the need for cost-effective ventilators and the importance of user-friendly controls.
In our online findings, a shortage of ventilators, a concerning gap that could lead to a tragic consequence. Our project is driven by the urgency to fill this void, with the aim of being a lifeline in situations where the scarcity of ventilators puts lives in risk.
Now let's dive into details of how Prana Vayu operates. We have implemented a smart system that is controlled by two potentiometers. This little device reads analog data and sends it to the brain of our system, the Arduino Nano.
Now, this is where things really start to happen. A rack is connected to 3D printed push blocks attached to gears, all driven by a powerful high-torque servo motor which converts the circular motion of gears to linear motion of the rack.
So in a nutshell, the potentiometers act as our control panel. We turn them and it's like adjusting the setting on a ventilator.
Healthcare resilience, ensuring that individuals in underserved regions are timely access to critical life-saving intervention. The ventilator we designed is affordable, efficient, and user-friendly.
This is how Prana Vayu is not just a ventilator. It's a step towards making healthcare more accessible and effective.